Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the ear speaker problem in your device Oneplus Nord CE2. But before starting, if you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you are having any issue related to your ear speaker, or you can say the calling speaker in your device Oneplus Nord CE2, you can solve this by the method as I'm showing in my this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the ear speaker problem in your device. Let's watch it.